Hey everyone, Anil here and welcome back to another video of Power Apps. So in this video, we are going to discuss how we can create navigation in Power Apps. So if you will see here, we having two navigations here. The first is left navigation and the second is top navigation. So this is not navigation, actually this is the header, and this header is same all in the screens. Okay, wherever you will move, this header will be same, only the thing is the title of the screen is going to be changed. Okay, so how we can do that? If you didn't watch my previous video, then before proceeding, watch first, because we are going to start from my last video only. And in the last video, we have already discussed that how we can create this horizontal and vertical galleries. Also, how we can make it responsive as well. So we didn't design in a good manner, but in my later video session, we will design exactly whatever we having over here. The last video is was more about the containers, the horizontal containers and the vertical containers. Also, inside the container, how we can manage the controls in the responsive manner. So if you didn't watch, then before proceeding, watch first. The link you will get in the description. All right. So we will remove this gallery from here, because this gallery just we put it on the screen only, but right now we will create a component for the left navigation. Okay, so I'll make it delete for now from here, and what I will do, I will create a vertical container here to put my navigation here. Okay, I'll make it 0. Width for now I'll make it 200, and here we'll put some formula, parent.height. Okay, and I'll just copy it. Okay, and I will go and I'll make it paste here. So now if we'll see, okay, right now this will not work because we have delete that R gallery. All right, so what I will do, I will go and I will create duplicate screens. So I will create 4 screens total. Let me delete this screen and one more duplicate and one more duplicate screen. Okay, so right now we having 4 screens. Okay, and screen 1, screen 3. Okay, let me rename it. So what I will do, I will just make some copy and paste from the start functions. So first I will just copy and one formula. I'll go on start, where I am on start. So this theme, we have just we are taking one variable where theme mode. So if it is dark, then dark. If it is light, then light. Okay, so let me just copy and paste clear collect. All right, and you know how to create collections. All right, if you don't know how to create collections, you can watch my videos that I can provide the link in my description. Okay, so this is dashboard. Okay, then I'll create products. Okay, then next will be my products, and the last screen will be support. All right, and dashboard, I'll make it move up. All right, so here we having all the screens here. Okay, dashboard, products, my products and support. Still we are getting error. Why? Because I just I'm taking this icon name and icon data from formula. So let me go on the formula. Okay, I will copy and paste the formula, and I will let you know how I have done this. So basically I'm using the svg icons. Okay, What is the benefit of SVG icons? Basically, you will get all the SVG icons from Bootstrap in a free, that is free of cost, and how you will use the Bootstrap icons, that I'll let you know. Okay, so you can go here, Bootstrap SVG icon, click on icons, and here you can type home. Okay, and you can click on any home, whatever you want, whatever you like. Click on this button, you will get it, and just paste here. Okay, and here you can replace double quotes by single quotes. Okay, click on replace and just copy it and go in your application and go here, and then here you can just paste it. Okay, and you can provide the name. So here we having one table actually, so the table is custom icons and table icon name and icon data. So icon name is my same name I'm using for the screen dashboard, and this is icon data that we have just copied and paste from here. All right, now the table is created. Okay, so let me again go on the on start. On start, if you will see, my all errors gone. Okay, one more thing that I'm going to copy and paste from the formula, that I will let you know. So formula, and I'll make it on the top. Okay, so what I copied and pasted over here, you can see radius I have taken 6, font size 10, font dot lecto. So these everything I'm going to use inside my application, and I want everything should look similar. Like if I'm putting any label, and for that label I can provide I can provide font size, font weight. So in my entire application, if I want to change any font size in a future, 10 to 11 or 10 to 9, everything, that is all the controls, all the labels that I'm using, this font size will be changed automatically. So that's why I'm using font size in a formula. Okay, now we are getting some still some errors. So here on start we are getting some errors. Let me check that. Okay, so this is the error. Okay, so now all errors gone. I'll have to run on start. So if we'll see here, we having this nav menu collection. You can see title, screen name and icon. Okay, how I will use this? So I will go here and I will create component left nav. Okay, and the left nav, I'll make width for now 200. Okay, height I will make 640 for now. All right, inside that I will put vertical container, and this vertical container will be exactly same height and width, parent dot width and parent dot height. All right, so in this we having three things: the first logo and application name, then this navigation and this theme. Okay, so I'll have to create three containers here. Container 1. Okay, this container I'll make it 0, and here I'll make it 0. Okay, and I will copy and I will paste here, not here, here. So we having now exactly three containers. I'll make it 6. This I can make it zero point 0.6 for now. I will go in the left nav. I'll make it access app scope on, because I want to use all my variables in my components, and we are not going to create this component for my complete for my other applications that I'm going to create in this environment. I'm using this navigation only for this application, and that's the reason I just put it access app scope equals to on. If you want to make it common, the left navigation or the top navigation, then you have to don't use the access app scope, because might be this variable you will not get on another application. All right, so here I will add image control, and this image control I'm taking from download. Okay, and one more thing that I'm going to use here. The first is, let me add horizontal container here. Okay, so inside this horizontal container I'll add this image. Okay, one more thing that I'll add here, that is label. Okay, so two things I added here, and let me make it flexible height and flexible width, make it 0 and make it 0. Okay, all right, so I'll make it stretch, and this label also I'll make it a stretch, and this image I'll use 0, and for now I'll make it 3, or I can make it 2 for now. Okay, then this image. Okay, then in a next container what I will do, I'll just I can rename it as well for now, inventory. Okay, then font, I can make it a font plus 2. I can I just want to make it little bit bold. Okay, then font size plus 2. Okay, then we can make it color, so that will be label color underscore label, I think. Yes, so my color theme is right now dark, I think. Okay, so what I will do, I will go here and I will change it to fill outer. Okay, so fill outer, font size plus 2, font size, oh, font size, this is font size plus 2. Okay, and this will be only font. Okay, fine, so this is set, and what I can do, I can make it none. Container also I can make it none, and all the containers I want to make it drop shadow none. Okay, so this is done. In the next container I will add a gallery control. So this will be vertical, oh, vertical gallery, yes. And this gallery I will remove these all three things from here. I will add a horizontal container here. Why I'm adding the horizontal container? Because there are two things that I have to add. The first is this icon, and the second is this label. Okay, so accordingly I will make it, the width will be uh, for now parent dot width, and the height will be parent dot height, and the template size I can make it for now 70. Okay, then these all three things I will add inside this label. I will remove this title from here, so I will get many errors. I can remove all the errors. There is one more. There is one more. Okay, I will add a container here. So why I'm adding the container, I will clear you, because I want to make the size small, and I want this image in between, in middle only. Okay, so one more container I will add here, and I will add the label inside this container. Okay, so these will be a stretch and 0, 0, drop shadow none. Okay, so all right. Okay, so for this what I will do, I will make it 0, Okay, so basically I can write a formula parent dot width minus self dot width divided by 2. Okay, this formula you can type somewhere, because this will be needed everywhere actually inside the application. Now this will be parent dot height minus self dot height and divide by 2. Also this we can make and copy somewhere. All right, now the same thing I will do for this. I will go and I will copy it. I've copied this already. I'll make it y equals to this and x equals to this formula. Okay, now this container is basically this container. I'll make it parent dot template width. Okay, and then height I'll make it parent dot template height. Now it's set. Container is here, image is here, label is here. Okay, now for the image what I will do, I will make it a height parent dot height is to 60% or 40%. 40%, yeah, that's good, cool. And width I can make it self dot height. All right, so sometime it will look like this. You have to just refresh the application to save it. Okay, so I just refresh the application because my navigation is coming into the left, in the right actually. So this is container and see, this I make 0 but it was not reflecting earlier, and this also I'll make it gallery also. I'll make it a 0, make it a 0. Okay, and then this container also I'll make it a 0. By default it was taking x and y, but I removed, but still it's not going to update it. You can refresh your screen, it will work 100%. Now what I will do, I will go here and from the on start we have created our navigation nav menu call. So I will go in the component. From the component I will copy and I will paste it. Okay, so here this item dot title. Okay, and this title again I will do underscore font underscore font size. Okay, underscore font weight. Okay, so all three things we have typed here, and now color. So this is color underscore label. I'll make it width equals to parent dot width, height equals to fine, and what I can do, I'll make it 3. Okay, how it will work, see here what I did. So if you see here, data colon image slash svg plus xml, you can copy and paste just here and then encode url and substitute this item dot icon current color. This item dot icon, basically this item dot icon is coming from the nav menu. So if you will see here, this gallery nav menu call having this item dot icon, you can see here this icon. Okay, and then what we are trying to do here in the image, then we having this current color, and this current color we want to change. If this item dot screen name equals to left nav dot current screen, then color dot icon dark orange, and if theme mode equals to dark, then color icon equals to white and icon equals to black. What does it mean? What we are trying to do, if suppose I'm going to select this screen, select this nab, then it should be dark, it should be orange. And if the theme mode is dark, then icon color will be white, else icon color will be black. This icon color we have copied the formula here, I already told you, see here. So the similar, you can just copy and paste everything that I typed in the formula. Okay, same thing you can copy and just paste. Okay, this SVG icon I already told you, you can just copy from here and type, because you cannot copy and paste from here. But other things, the color combination, you can just copy and paste everything whatever I typed here. Okay, now here you can see our left navigation is almost completed. The few things I have to do, I'll make it none. Okay, and this, oh, okay, this is none. Now the image and this, okay, this is not coming correctly, let me make it 0, and y equals to 0, width equals to parent dot width, and height equals to parent dot height. All right, now it's coming exactly that's we want. Now last thing, this color mode. Okay, so for this color mode, we having the next container, this one. So here I will add a toggle. Okay, so this toggle is here, and show label I can make it off for now, and x I can make it as 0, or I can make it again the same parent dot width and parent dot height. Parent dot width divided by 2, and then y also we can just make copy and paste. Okay, width will be parent dot width, height will be parent dot height. All right, so this height we can make it 50%, or it will looks better if I'll make it a little bit small. Okay, and width I can make it 70%. All right, now it looks good. Now we have to create the top navigations. This one you can see. So top header, I'll just again go and I will create one more component. So it will be top nav. Height I can make it 80 for now. Okay, inside that I will add a horizontal container. All right, and this container I'll make it x equals to 0, and width will be parent dot width, height will be parent dot height. Okay, so inside this we have to add 1, 2 and 3 things. Okay, so let me add 3 containers here. Container 1, container 2 and container 3. Okay, the first container, basically all 3 containers, I'll make it stretch, minimum width 0, minimum height 0. Okay, for this I will make 5. Okay, and inside this container I will add a image, and this image will be parent dot width and parent dot height. And for this image again I will add the SVG icon here. So for that we have to make it axis app scope equals to on, and then it will work. Yes. Okay, so for the top left we have put it this fill outer, and for top nav what I can do, fill inner. Okay, so image looks good. Now what I will do, I will make it parent dot height is to 50%, and height will be self, the self dot height basically. All right, and then X will be again, Y will be parent dot height minus self dot height divided by 2, and the same formula I will make it a copy and paste from here. Okay, and this I will make point 0.5 for now. Okay, so now this is looks good, and here I will put a label. So I can just copy and paste the label from here. Okay, in label. So this label is x equals to 0, y equals to 0, width equals to parent dot width, height equals to parent dot height. Okay, now I will make all right. So this I will make in a center. Okay, and here we can create one input property, screen name or whatever you want that you can put over here basically. So click on create, and this screen name will make it suppose dashboard for now. Okay, and in the label we will go into the text and top nav dot screen name. Okay, so whatever we will provide here, that we will got, all right. So let me go in the dashboard. I can go and I will insert my left nav here. Okay, and this left nav for now height will be parent dot height. Okay, and this width I will make as a change, don't worry about that. And here we are using this, remove this icon from here, and let me add the top nav. Okay, so the top nav width will be flexible width. Okay, so I think here we put it something that we don't need, color underscore outer fill outer, and this will be fill inner. All right, so here we go, our navigations are ready. Now on this click button, this should be like collapse and uncollapse. So how we will do that? So I will go here, and on this click button, let me just go and make it none, and then this also I will make it a none for now. And on this select button, so what we are doing here, set is collapsed is not equals to collapse. So suppose if it will be true, then it will be automatically false, it will be false, then it will be automatically true. Okay, so this, okay, so with if equals to true, yes, then here also I think I have done some mistake. Equals to true, this should be equals to true. Okay, and then similarly I will go on this dashboard, type here. Okay, now go on the screen and see it's making false and it's making true. Okay, so this I will make a 1 and this I will make 2. Now one more thing that we have to do, I will go in my width of this container. So minimum width I will make it as 0, and okay, so this is my left nav, and the width of this I will make it left nav 1 dot width. Okay, so now see how it will work. All right, so this is what we want. Now one more thing that we have to do here, I will go in the component advance. What I will do, if toggle 1 dot value equals to false, then set where theme mode dark, else set where theme mode equals to light. Okay, so the false fill is color dot white, true fills color dot black, handle fill color underscore orange, and color we have make on the conditional basis. If color will be the theme color will be black, then the color will be dark, or vice versa. Okay, then what I can do, I can go and border, we can make it a none, and now I will save it. So yes, it's working perfectly. And if I want, I can make it dark and light theme. Okay, and if I want, I can just change. Okay, so one more thing that we have to do on select. So here if you'll see in the left navigation, this is the left navigation. I will add a button control. Okay, and this button control I'll make it x equals to 0. So basically the same thing, y equals to parent dot template height, self dot height, and width will be parent dot width, and height will be parent dot template height. Okay, so we can make it is to 80%. Okay, or I can make it, I think 60%. Yes, and then to change the fill, dot transparent. Okay, and I will remove, and on select I will type a formula, this dot screen name. Okay, and one more thing I have to do, I have to put a container, and this I have to make inside the container. Okay, and this label I will make on a front, parent dot width, and this will be height, will be parent dot template height, parent dot template width, and height will be parent dot template height. One more thing that we have to do, parent dot height. Okay, and I will make it as 0 and y equals to 0. Okay, all right, now let me save it. So again you can see here my navigation is moving into the right, but in this case I will go and I will refresh it. All right, so my screen refreshed. Container, this is second container. Okay, I will go into the gallery. So see here, This is taking x equals to 0, x equals to 40 and y equals to 40. So this is not going to be saved. All right, and this button I will make a blank. Okay, now if I will go here, and you can see here the screen is going to be changed, but what we have to do, we have to, and on hover this I will make color dot transparent. Okay, disable color also color dot transparent. Okay, now in the product I will add this screen as well in the left nav. Okay, and this is also I will make height equals to parent dot height. Okay, and width automatically will be added, and this I can make it a copy. Width will be left nav 2 dot width. Okay, and here also I will remove it, this icon, and I will add top nav. Okay, and this also I can make it and left nav, and then here I will remove this and I can make it top nav. Okay, and this left nav I will make it parent dot height. Okay, and width is fine. Then top also I will make flexible width, and this container width will be okay. So go here, this is working perfectly. Okay, so this is going to be change all the screens. So if you want how the screens are going to be changed, what we can do, we can go here and we can remove this content, and inside this content I can put a label, and this is my product screen, so I can type my products. Okay, and I can make it in a middle, so this will be in a middle, and again in the second I will go in dashboard, I will remove it, and again I will add a label, and this label I'll make it, this is the dashboard, this is products. Okay, and this I will stretch into the center. If I will go here, you can see here my product and products, and this is my dashboard. Okay, so I hope you love this video, and if you really enjoy this video then please subscribe my channel as well. One more thing that I want to let you know, you can see here this dashboard. Okay, so here dashboard we are getting dashboard, so in the top nav you can see here the dashboard, and in the second screen in the product you can go here. Okay, and here you will get products, because this we have created input property, so whatever name you will type here that you will get here. Similarly for my products you can go and create and type my products. Okay, so yes, our navigation is ready. Okay, and now in my next video we will work into the internal screens. So I hope you love this video. If you love this video then please subscribe my channel, and thank you and bye bye.